Knowledge and wisdom are eternal. They are ancient and yet ever new. And that's what Art of Living has been doing, enlivening the wisdom, kindling the compassion, uniting people of all stratas of society. And this is a timeless journey and a journey towards oneself. The framework to hold this timeless wisdom was born 40 years ago on November 13th, 1981. Justice P.N. Bhagwati and Justice V.R. Krishnaiah met with me, and they both became the founder trustees of this organization. So a reluctant recluse was roped into a framework of organization for some very good cause and very good reason. I must remember Pitaji here and Veda Brahmagunjur Narayan Shastri ji, the Chief Secretary of Government of Karnataka Narsim Rao, and the most acclaimed administrator of Bangalore City, Lakshman Rao, were all the initial trustees of this organization. And then the journey began, and prominent people have been spearheading this movement called Art of Living. And cutting across race, religion, nationality, language, this movement has stood up as a hope for a happy, prosperous and ethical lifestyle. Rural development, river rejuvenation, conflict resolution, schools for children, name it. There are many avenues in which Art of Living has been active. Art of Living movement has also, through its sister organization, International Association for Human Values, has taken up the 5H program: health, hygiene, homes, human values and harmony in diversity for millions of people around the world. Through prison program, it has transformed the lives of inmates. On the other hand, it has cared for rural development through skill development for people, providing food for those who are in need. Another project that Art of Living has passionately taken up is women's empowerment, gender equality and justice for all. Art of Living is also very passionate to care for environment, and so our volunteers have planted millions of trees around the globe. Water is a main source of sustenance, and Art of Living has done substantial work in reviving 48 rivers in India. All these service projects has come out as an expression of love for humanity and the intention to spread joy in society. And we need to continue doing this. For me, the entire world is the Art of Living movement. Anyone, anywhere in the world, if they are compassionate and they are passionate about spreading love and joy in society, just consider them as part of Art of Living. And these 40 years have been a very interesting, exciting journey. Thousands of teachers and millions of volunteers around the world have worked with such joy, such pleasure to spread happiness around the world. And it's time for everyone to feel proud of their achievement of bringing happiness to the doorstep of millions around the world. Let's keep going. There is a lot more to do. All the best to everyone.